On any typical day, most of us access the internet to enhance our lives. Sadly, some Imperial County residents still do not have adequate connectivity. In schools, educators are quickly incorporating digital learning in the classroom because they understand the power of these resources. A recent study shows that roughly 7 in 10 teachers assign homework that requires access to the internet, which often creates an unintended digital divide or homework gap between students with adequate off-campus access and those who lack such access. Imperial County Office of Education's BorderLink project is closing this gap and ensures our students have the access they need to compete. Over the past year, ICOE has built a county-wide wireless infrastructure connecting 10 of our local communities. Now, ICOE is working with local school districts to deploy devices to students. For example, Heber Elementary School District is targeting their 6th graders to help prepare them for junior high. Central Union High School District is working with Desert Oasis students to assist them in graduating and being prepared for college and career opportunities. Districts are also beginning to equip their school buses, making students' commute more productive. In addition to K-12 access, BorderLink has partnered with both Imperial Valley College and local community organizations to spread the benefits of this new infrastructure. ICOE has equipped the Boys and Girls Clubs of Imperial Valley's Teen Center with internet connectivity, giving students a safe place where they can complete their assignments. BorderLink has partnered with IVC's CalWorks program to provide devices to students who do not have adequate home access. Additionally, ICOE is working with the public libraries and Brawley Senior Community Center. Another exciting project planned is to collaborate with the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, and Imperial Valley Housing Authority to provide connectivity to students living in their housing complexes. When we connect a household, the entire family is empowered. BorderLink is Imperial County's response to the increasing needs of our schools and students. We expect to close the homework gap and much more as we focus on improving the quality of life in our community and make Imperial County an ideal place to live, learn, and work.